been a while, but I'm very excited to share with you how my days will go. Maraming nag-expect and nagtatanong sa akin kung pwede akong gumawa ng day in my life. Pero kasi, pareho lang naman yung ginagawa ko everyday na mga activities. Usually, nasa Zoom meeting ako or nag-work ako on my laptop. But the past couple of days, nag-start ako mag-vlog. Because meron akong times na nakakalabas ako ng bahay. So, gusto ko i-extend and i-share sa inyo yung ginagawa ko pag lumalabas ako ng bahay. And, yun, this is day 3 already. And, let's just watch kung ano mangyayari sa day ko. Pagpasensyahan nyo na, this is my first time vlogging. Hindi ako marunong yan. So, I hope you enjoy it.
Sending you things I shouldn't do, cause you're on my mind and I can't sleep.
Having lunch with my friend and my teammate. Meeting pala. Nagbe-meeting kami today. And actually 2 PM na, gutom sa ako. Pero magla-lunch pa lang kaming dalawa. And ngayon lang kami ulit nagkita. Kaya tayo nagkita ba? December? Yun na ba?
Nag-birthday tita pa ako.
July. So, August, September. 3 months. Oh, mga sakto yun. July 13 yun eh. Yeah. So, ngayon lang kami ulit nagkita and magde-date kami today. Gems. Meron ko siya mag-gems. So, today, kumain kami sa Lapikara. Pero, I'm just using my Lyka gems to pay for it. So, let's see. Day 2 of days in my life. Actually, hindi ko na-end yung kahapon kasi sobrang napagod ako. Tapos may training, tapos ang dami kong pang meetings pag uwi ko. So, medyo na busy ako. And also, ngayon, hindi ako masyado makapagsalita kasi isugat yung dila ako because may bagong dinagdag na molar bands. But anyway, I just finished a couple of meetings this morning. Sobrang busy. And right now, it's already 3:42 and oh my gosh guys, can I just say, si Sonho yan, can I just say na sobrang affected ako sa issues ni Sonho. So if you're watching Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha and fan ka rin ni Kim Sonho, comment mo dyan kasi I can relate. And feeling ko gagawa na ako ng support group sa mga nangyayari ngayon. Anyway, it's 3:42 and I have a shoot with Madam Aying Bernos at 4 o'clock. Mag-shoot kami ng Quarter Life Bliss episode. So I hope you could catch that on my podcast at Quarter Life Bliss. Meron din akong Instagram for that. Plug ko na lang. Quarter Life Bliss Podcast. So, follow ninyo yan. But, yeah, nagtapos na kami ng briefing for today. And yes, guys, naka-black lang ulit ako because yun ang outfit natin everyday. Parang sobrang comfortable kung hindi mag-isip ng outfit kung hindi black lang. Diba? Anyway, after ng shoot ko with Ayin, I have a couple of meetings pa until 10 PM kasi may class din pala ako tonight. And yeah, tomorrow is the 3rd day and medyo mas busy yun. Actually, dahil break time ko ngayon, may gagawin pala ako. Kasi guys, dumating na tong package kanina. Arian Francesca. So, hindi to Squid Games na regalo. But I think, feeling ko to. Hold on, let me get my cute scissors. Feeling ko, award ko to. Like, ito yung mismong award. So, let's see. Anyway. So, sa Friday, excited ako kasi meron kaming meeting sa team na for Squid Game design. That's what I'm doing. So, let's unbox this. Ipapa-insert ko din dito nung in-unbox ko yung first awards ko from the company, from FWD. Okay, so let's start. Start with this. I don't know how to do unboxing, by the way. Oh, nice. It's a notebook with my full name. So this is my full name if you're not aware. Oh, look at that. My award. This is my first ever MDRT award. So MDRT, for those of you guys who don't know, is the prestigious award for financial professionals all over the world. So it is recognized, and to be part of this, you have to be part of the top 2% of financial professionals all over the world. So, and that's millions of people, even in the country, hundreds and thousands of people. So really grateful to be a part of this for 2020, and yeah, also for this year, hopefully. Thank you so much, MDRT, for the support and the help and for this. So, ito yung I think pang 4th ko na award. Yeah, I'm super glad and thankful to all the clients who are trusting me with their finances na I made it here. So, yun. Oh my gosh, hindi pala siya award, guys. Dear Yani, congratulations on your MDRT qualifications. Being an MDRT, you have embodied the gold standard for elite agency. May this inspire you to strive further and achieve your goals. May it be whatever. So, I have this letter. And, guys, something to celebrate with. Tada! So, hindi ko siya itatayo masyado. Kasi, wine glass and a wine. And I think yung wine is Moscato. Oh, I love it. Perfect. Moscato. And actually, hindi ako masyadong ma-wine. Pero, dahil binigay nila, iinumin natin to celebrate. And yun. Celebrate natin tong malaking karangalan na nakuha ko ulit ang MDRT this year. Haven't really posted about it kasi maraming nangyari sa family ko. But, no way. But no reason not to celebrate this. Sobrang pinaghirapan. It's an honor. It's a pride to have this award. But this is it. Thank you so much, FWD, for the gift. Anyway, join me in a few. Meron akong recording and I'll get back to you guys. Hindi ko alam pa paano mag-vlog. So, let's do this. Actually, ginagawa ko na lang days in my life. Kasi yung isang araw ko, hindi ko siya masingit talaga na mag-vlog lang. Ganyan. Or, hindi ko talaga masingit na hindi rin ako marunong mag-vlog. So, sabi ko sa editor ko, kay Hiriri, pagsamasamahin niya na lang yung mga days. Kasi, I don't know how it's gonna go. So, let's see. But, yeah. Exciting. So, today is day 3 of my vlogging series. And hindi ako marunong mag-vlog, so I'm just trying it out. Pero anyway, today is a Thursday. It's already 11:56 a.m. Tapos na akong mag-talk. Nag-post na rin ako ng bago kong episode sa podcast. And today, kakatapos ko lang din mag-ayos kasi aalis ako. I have a lunch and an interview with Sir Lester also later. Come with me because papakita ko sa inyo how everything will go. Excited ako for that because first time ko mag-interview in person. So, let's see how that will go for us. And yeah, today is a very busy day. It's Thursday and sobrang jam-packed. So, can I just look at my schedule, my calendar? I have a new episode on my podcast. May talk ako kanina. I have a meeting with one of my teammates. I have to travel because I have a lunch. I have an interview. I have errands in the mall. I have to meet with Gold. I have a dinner with myself. Dapat may kasama ako. Pero magiging ako na lang mag-isa. And yeah, let's see kung ano pang magagawa ko kasi I'm gonna go to the mall. So excited ako for that. So come with me and I hope you enjoy this vlog. Private tour of the food group. Welcome to Bliss. Sir, post ka naman. Private tour. Crap. CEO. Whoa. Private room in Dinan de Luca. QC branch. Sir.
So it can be a whole district.
Yan. See? So pwedeng ito lang, sir. O, diba? Ang nice. You have your own private. Ang ganda ng ilaw dito. Grabe. Check this out. Office. Office goals. Oh my gosh. Look. Halatang babae yung boss dito. So, this is the main office of their CFO. Oh my gosh. For queen, my squeeze at night. Who opens up this package is too tight. Ho, whoa. And know you got it like that. Bring it on back, cause you got it like that. Ah, yeah. And know she got it like that. Done with laser. Tapos na ang isang part ng errands day ko. And next na tayo. Super duper busy day. As you can see, nahulas na ako. I did visit Sir Lester. We did an interview. And then, nakapag-meet ako sa... May errands ako dito sa mall. Nakapag-meet ako sa isang teammate ko, si Gold. Nakita ka lang kami. Mabilis lang actually sa labas lang ng coffee shop kasi may meeting din siya. And binigay ko lang yung gift ko. And then, yeah. I'm about to eat my dinner. Masaya ako. Mag-isa lang ako. I-date ko sarili ko. Actually, magka-coffee lang ulit ako. Kaya, sa bahay na lang ako kakain. Kasi naisip ko, you know what? Ngayon lang ako lalabas. And it's time to treat myself. I haven't dated myself in like tagal na talaga. I always date myself outside. Pero I think yung like second lockdown, hindi na ako masyado naka-date sa sarili ko. And before pandemic, I do it every month, every week nga actually. Pero kailangan na gumastos. Minsan sa loob lang ng bahay, ganyan. Pero it's really just taking time for myself alone time. And at the same time, spending for myself. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing today. And super excited lang to eat Korean.
I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. That's
Super nabusog ako. This is day 4 of the vlog. Actually, no, I just finished a couple of meetings. It's Saturday today and I'm just ending my work week. Hindi talaga marunong mag-vlog, guys. So, pagtsagaan nyo na muna kung anong napala ko. But, a lot of people have been asking me to create a day in a life. And to be honest, in one day, sobrang daming nangyayari. So, hindi ko talaga kayang consistently pa mag-vlog. Hindi pa ako ganun ka-conscious na, oh my gosh, may nag-vlog pala ako ganun. Parang I just remember, I don't know, kapag wala akong ginagawa, dun ko lang naalala na, oh, I have to vlog this pala. But I'll get better. I really want to get into vlogging also to show you guys. Marami akong surprise in the next couple of months on how adulting life would be for me. But I guess yun, sana nag-enjoy kayo. Ako, usually yung days ko talaga is just filled with a lot of meetings and a lot of, ngayon medyo nakalabas-labas ako this week, but usually di talaga ako nakalabas. But I also did an interview. First time during this pandemic na live ako mag-interview. Excited ako. Next week lalabas yan. Baka 2-part siya kasi medyo mahaba and sobrang daming learnings. And I also just wanna take this opportunity to thank everyone na nag-subscribe sa channel ko. I'm almost hitting 1,000 subscribers. Yes. And don't worry because we will have a giveaway. Gosh, so pinaplan ko lang yan. But, yeah, thank you so much again, guys, for watching this. Please comment kung anong na-enjoy ninyo. Yung boring ko ba? Hindi ako marunong mag-b-rolls pa. Boring ng mga pinagagawa ko. And puro face ko lang talaga kasi hindi talaga ako marunong mag-vlog. Tsaka, guys, ang awkward pala mag-vlog in public. Can I just say? And, so, yun. But, thank you so much for all your support and I really appreciate all of you. Maraming salamat and I hope you have a great week ahead.